Good evening. I'm Christy Casciano.
I'm Jeff Kulikowski. Stock ended down today as President Trump holds firm on that blanket 10% tariff and steeper taxes on China imports.
That part of the trade war really expected to drive up prices on everyday goods we buy at stores. ABC's Christiane Cordero has the latest from Washington.
Today, the roller coaster on Wall Street was on a decline. The Dow started and ended down at one point, falling more than 2,000 points. More than half of the gains from yesterday's rally erased. Stocks surged yesterday after President Trump announced a 90-day pause on his tariffs. But reality today set in that Trump is not changing course on the blanket 10% tariffs or his huge tariffs on China.
We'll see what happens with China. We would love to be able to work a deal.
A new Yale study out today says the tariffs are expected to cost U.S. households an additional $4,700 a year on average. That's if the current rates hold. The trade war with China ballooning. New calculations today put the tariff total on Chinese goods coming into the U.S. at 145%. U.S. businesses and consumers end up paying that tax. China so far hasn't budged. Its latest punch today announcing a plan to reduce the number of American films allowed in China, the world's second largest film market. The administration says dozens of other countries are willing to negotiate new trade deals.
People understand where we are, what we're going to do, but it could happen. It's called flexibility. You have to have certain flexibility.
But even an encouraging inflation report couldn't lift the financial markets today. Led by cheaper gas prices, the Labor Department today said consumer prices rose just 2.4% last month, down from 2.8% in February. That's the lowest inflation figure since September.
Consumer prices have actually dropped. There's very little inflation.
The cost of groceries was up 0.5% as egg prices jumped to a new record average of $6.23 a dozen. Christiane Cordero, ABC News, Washington.